Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I have the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2017 67 reg Jaguar Xe R-Sport. Now this vehicle definitely stands out from the rest. It's had thousands of pounds spent in factory options. So in this video I'll do my best to really list all of those extras for you. We've got a fantastic colour combination. So the exterior is finished in Yulong White, which is a lovely metallic paintwork. Now most of these cars that you find on the market, they're finished in Fuji White, which is just a standard gloss. So this one is a lovely factory option. We're riding on upgrade alloy wheels. So these are the 19-inch 5 twin spokes, obviously finished in lovely gloss black. We've got privacy glass to the rear. Now obviously this is an R-Sport model, so it comes with a more aggressive body styling, so you get nice flared side skirts, a boot lip spoiler, more pronounced front and rear bumpers. This vehicle also comes with the full 360 parking sensors. So this vehicle does come with the self-parking, so you've got perpendicular parking, parallel parking, and I'll show you through to that in just a moment. But stunning combination, so we've got the white with the black wheels, the privacy glass. Inside we've got a lovely dual tone leather, so it's ebony black on the bolsters and a lovely cream on the centres. The seats themselves are in very nice order throughout. So the interior, it's never been smoked in. You won't find any rips or tears. Obviously it's part perforated in the centres, so that allows the seat to breathe. These are heated front seats, and then on top of that they're fully electric. So you've got the freeway memory for the driver, so ideal if you're looking to share this vehicle with a partner. You can be driver 1, your partner can be driver 2. Press of a button and then that fully adjusts the seat to exactly the way you want it. The steering column, as it's fully electric, and your mirrors as well. So we've got an electric steering column, fully electric mirrors, which are all auto dimming as well. Jumping inside, we'll close the door. You've got park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, child lock for the rear, the full sporty R-Sport steering wheel. Now on here we've got the factory option of the heated steering wheel, which is absolutely fantastic for those colder mornings. We've got cruise control and speed limiter. We've got our voice command, Bluetooth phone, all of our volume and media controls, automatic lights, automatic wipers. We've got the flappy paddles there as well, as this one is powered through the 8-speed automatic box. So that's a very, very smooth gearbox, especially coupled with this engine. It's a 2-litre diesel engine producing 180 horsepower. Now the nice feature on these engines, they only need servicing every 2 years or 21,000 miles, so you'll save money on servicing costs. But as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 48,152 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. And then coming through to the centre display, as I mentioned, we've got the self-parking, so I'll press through to that. So as you can see, it's searching for a parallel parking spot. You've got perpendicular, you've got exit a parking spot, and then you've got it to switch it off as well. So coming through to the centre, we've got our media. So it's a full DAB radio. You've got all the extended channels. You've also got, pressing back through, you've also got your FM, aux, and your Bluetooth music as well when you connect your phone. It's a dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Obviously heated seats, as I mentioned before. We've got full satellite navigation on this vehicle as well. So pressing through, that's a very nice and easy system to use, very responsive. You've got your in-control applications, you've got your low friction launch if you ever get it stuck in a mud rut or in ice. You've got your camera there, reversing camera, eco data, and your valet mode as well. Full drive select, so we've got dynamic, normal, eco and all-terrain, electric parking brake, central cup holders, a lovely central armrest, and as you can tell, that is in fantastic order. Within there, that's all your in-control applications. So you've got your navigation SD card, aux, USB, and your 12-volt power outlet. We've got the full Meridian Sound System. The vehicle is also supplied with both keys. But condition wise, just looking at the cabin, so looking at the steering wheel where you tend to pick up your wear from daily driving, that's in nice order, so no signs of any sort of large nicks from rings, no discoloration. The seats then as well are in nice order, so just quickly looking at the bolsters, and I'll show you through to the rear seats as well. So looking at the bolsters where you tend to pick up your wear getting in and out of the vehicle, they're in fantastic order. And then looking through to the back, nice and comfy for your rear passengers. The lovely dual tone leather follows through. We've got Isofix in the bottom for our child seats. We've got a central armrest with 2 cup holders, rear vents for your full climate, so your rear passengers get the full benefit of that. 12-volt power outlet, ideal if you've got children, they can charge their phones as you're driving along. The backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched, and all the netting is intact. But no, nice vehicle, nice level of spec. So the freeway memory seats, the automatic electric steering column, the electric mirrors, the bigger alloy wheels, full satellite navigation, heated seats, heated steering wheel, full 360 parking sensors, the reversing camera. This is an impressive vehicle. So if you'd like any further information on this vehicle, you can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. I always recommend having a look at our reviews. So we are a 5-star dealer. We've got over 500 5-star reviews from verified buyers. If you were to go through to our Facebook page, you'll see we've got people coming from all over the country to collect our vehicles. And then you'll also notice the numerous awards that we've won over the years and the level of stock that we carry here at Alpha Motors. But again, thank you for watching. There's myself, Dominic, there's also Lee, and there's Graham on sales. Any one of us would be happy to help you. But thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.